Taurus is our unmanned ground vehicle. This is a product produced by ST Engineering. The Taurus itself has a lot of great capabilities and technology. It has self-regenerative power, meaning that when you tow the Taurus behind any other vehicle, you can be recharging the electrical power or the electrical batteries on board the Taurus. It's highly modular, meaning that you can meet all types of roles that's required for the unmanned operations that are required by the modern army.
Once decoupled, the Taurus pushes forward independently into roles such as forward reconnaissance.
So roles such as reconnaissance, roles such as casualty, evacuation, surveillance, and even logistical roles. With autonomy, you do the 3D task. You know, the dumb, the dirty, and the dangerous. You take the man out of the loop, increasing survivability and safety, especially for the operators. So the Taurus itself creates that buffer of safety for operations. It's important that the mundane task kind of decisions be taken by the autonomy of the unmanned ground vehicle. But when it comes to safety, it comes to the lethality or the complex decision points, it should be the man in the loop that finally decides the final outcome of the operations. The future requires some kind of system that seamlessly integrate all the different kind of assets, whether is it an unmanned aerial vehicle or is it an unmanned ground vehicle. And that's something that ST Engineering is looking at, and with the development of our man-unmanned teaming operation system called the MANPOS, it allows for seamless plug-and-play integration between area capabilities as well as ground capabilities. So, for example, giving a scenario, you use your area capability to do far-reaching surveillance, and being in a swarm allows for a lot of redundancy, a lot of wide area coverage compared to a single drone. Then with the information, it can be piped down to your unmanned ground vehicle. But because of the swarming effect, you have a greater range, greater situational awareness, a greater buffer between the adversary against the friendly forces. So that is the kind of capability that man-unmanned teaming operation system will provide for the swarming effect.